Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up two lyrics written by Meera, the rebel poet, and one of the trinity of bhakti poets of Meera, Surdas and Tulsidas. The first lyric deals with chanting of the name of Ram, Krishna, or any god that you might prefer to worship. Chanting has been acknowledged as one of the several means of concentrating your mind. It has been found useful in bhakti. The followers of Krishna consciousness movement chant Krishna's name, saying Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Meera sings of the same in the first lyric that we are taking up. She writes, Mero man Ram hi Ram ratai re, Ram naam jap लीजै प्राणी, कोटिक पाप कटाई रे, जन्म जन्म के खत जू पुराने, नाम ही लेत कटाई रे, कनक कटोरे इमृत भरियो, पीवत कौन नटाई रे. मीरा कहे प्रभु हरि अविनाशी, तन मन ताही पटाई रे. The 5 lines of this lyric have got more than 5 images, one better than the other. She says, let's chant his name all the time. Chanting of Rama's name absolves you of all the evil deeds committed over several lives. The old accounts are settled. People who believed in reincarnation theory also believed that a human being carries the weight of his past deeds into his present life. And if the past deeds were of sin, they can be atoned for in the new life. And that is what Meera is saying, that Rama's name absolves you of the evil deeds committed over several lives. The old accounts are settled. Rama's name is Amrit in a golden bowl, writes Meera. Amrit in a golden bowl. Who can refuse this drink? Says Meera, the eternal Hari's devotee. Chanting his name brings joy to the body as well as the mind. I have personally experienced that chanting makes me happy, makes me concentrate, makes me forget all the worries in the world. You don't have to chant for long periods of time. A few minutes would do, but do it. And chanting is a part of every religion, in some form or the other. All the religions of the world encourage their adherents to chant the name of their God. The next lyric Meera devotes to Krishna. She has been waiting for his arrival, but she has another take on it, that he comes to help wherever his devotees request him. The entire concept of avatar in the Hindu thinking is based on this, that when God is needed, he comes over and helps his followers to get over evil, to destroy the sinners, whether it was Ravana in the case of Ram or Kans in the case of Krishna. That is what Mira writes in this particular lyric. Aye ji maro, Maharaj aye. It's an expression of joy. He has come. निज भक्तन के काज बनाए, तज बे कुंठ तजो गरुड़ासन, पवन बेग उठ धाए। जब ही दृष्टि पड़ी नंद नंदन, प्रेम भक्ति रस धाए। मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, चरण कमल चित लाए। The believers in Vishnu believed, and they continue to do so, that he stays in Vaikuntha, Vishnu Dham. He flies on Garuda with a speed higher than that of the winds, and wherever people need him, he comes in some form or the other. In this video, I have included a number of paintings relating to Vishnu's avatar as Nrsimha, Vamana, Krishna. Mira writes, my master has arrived to help his devotees. Welcome him and rejoice. Leaving his throne in the Vaikuntha, ignoring his Garuda carriage, he has come down with the speed of the wind. Hari responds to the devotion of his bhaktas with alacrity. Whenever they think of him, he is there. Mira is so sure of him. She had read in Bhagavad Puran how Bhagwan in different avatars saved the earth, saved Prahlad. So she says, whenever they think of him, he is there. She is sure about it. Mira worships at the lotus feet of Giridhar Nagar, who never disappoints his devotees. A devotee lives by the belief. He knows that in his moments of weakness, of suffering, or for any reason, his Bhagwan would come and redress the moment the devotee makes a call. It's a great support mechanism. The dice of life is cast both ways. Today's suffering can be tomorrow's lack of suffering. And if you believe in God, the later happening is attributable to God, to your prayers to your God. And Mira believed in this and wrote about this. जब ही दृष्टि पड़ी नंद नंदन, प्रेम भक्ति रस धाये. Whenever you think of him, he comes. Motivated by your devotion, your love. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna.